Okay, Grandma and Grandpa. Here's our sea monkeys. Go see them. Cici, go sit next to them. Okay, wave. And thank you for my flowers. Look at how pretty.
Take our flowers.
Yeah.
Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Where's your balloon? Oh, it's on the table.
In that. I
Okay, we got the balloon. You want to sing him a song?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Happy birthday, Grandma. I'm rich.
What song is that?
I love you, Grandpa.
Oh, I love you, Grandpa.
I love you, Grandpa.
What about Grandma? You love Grandma?
I love Grandma.
Oh, good. Want to see the sea monkeys? Oh, be careful, because we got to show Grandma and Grandpa the sea monkeys. I know it's kind of blurry. They're swimming around in there. Oh, there's one. Oh, be careful, be careful.
No.
You can see, hey, actually, you can see him pretty good here. Can you see him, Cici?
Yep.
Yeah.
In the house.
Yeah, they're in the house.
Like, out.
Yeah.
In there. At the red side. Means up.
Say ciao.
Ciao.
Love you.
Love you.